You should be wrapping up with Module 8. Now that we are starting Week 13, time for a little review. So yes, time for another review project. Since the last capstone project, you have covered Modules 5 through 8. There was a lot of information packed into those modules. Tables and pivot tables, working with formulas across multiple worksheets, creating templates, using defined names and formulas, creating validation rules, adding comments, working with macros, and protecting worksheets and workbooks, working with if, and, or, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, if error, COUNTIF, SUMIF, AVERAGEIF functions. Is that it? Oh, and using conditional formatting. That's a lot. So time for a little review of all that material. But why? Well, chances are you have forgotten some of what was covered, especially all the way back to Module 5, 6, maybe even 7, maybe even you forgot 8 already. But you know what? That can be a good thing. Our brains can sharpen a memory only after some forgetting has occurred. Our memory is like a muscle. You have to break down the muscle in order for it to build greater strength. A couple of ways to build this greater memory strength is spaced rehearsal. This allows us to remember the material longer. Also, mixing up the skills we've learned will sharpen our grasp on all of those skills. So now I bet you can't wait to start on your Module 5 through 8 capstone project. So as always, if you have any questions, shoot me an email or post in the discussion group. I'll see you in the next video.